Have you ever wondered how elephants, the largest land animals on Earth, communicate? It's a fascinating question, isn't it? Elephants, with their grand stature and intelligent eyes, have always been subjects of fascination. These magnificent beings are the true giants of the animal kingdom, possessing a unique blend of strength, intelligence, and a deep sense of social structure. What's truly intriguing, however, is how they communicate. Imagine a conversation that you can't hear, but can feel. That's exactly how elephants talk to each other, using low-frequency sounds or infrasounds that are beyond the range of human hearing. These infrasounds can travel several kilometers, enabling elephants to send messages to each other across vast distances. It's like their own private radio network, a secret language that binds the herd together. Communication, as we'll see, is a key part of these majestic creatures' lives. As we delve deeper into the world of elephants, we'll uncover more about their fascinating ways of life. Elephants live in complex societies just like us. If we take a closer look at the elephant community, we'll find a social structure that's both fascinating and deeply intricate. The societies of these majestic creatures are matriarchal, meaning they're led by the oldest and often largest female in the group, known as the matriarch. Now, why a matriarch? Well, these elder females have a wealth of knowledge and experience, which they use to guide their kin. They are the ones who decide when and where the herd moves, often leading them along age-old routes to find food and water. But their role is not just about logistics. They also teach the younger members of the herd essential survival skills, such as how to use their trunks to find water or how to react to predators. Interestingly, the role of matriarch isn't passed down from mother to daughter automatically. Rather, when the matriarch passes away, the eldest female in the group steps up to take the mantle. This ensures that the leader of the herd is always the one with the most experience and wisdom. But what's truly extraordinary about elephant societies is their emotional depth. Elephants are known to mourn their dead. They may stand over the body of the deceased for hours, touching it with their trunks, seemingly in a state of grief. They've even been observed to revisit the bones of their dead, gently touching the skulls and tusks with their trunks and feet. This level of emotional complexity is rare among animals, and is yet another testament to the sophistication of elephant societies. In essence, elephant societies are much more than just groups of animals living together. They are communities built on respect for experience and age, with deep emotional bonds that last a lifetime. These societies are a beautiful display of cooperation and empathy, showing us that these gentle giants are not just physically powerful but also emotionally rich. So, elephant social structures are not only intricate but also emotionally rich. But it's not just their social lives that are complex. Elephants are incredibly intelligent creatures. Indeed, the mental prowess of these majestic giants is nothing short of awe-inspiring. They possess an exceptional memory, a trait that is crucial for their survival. In the vast expanses of their habitats, elephants remember locations of waterholes and feeding grounds, and can recall these even after many years. This ability to remember also extends to their social interactions. Elephants recognize and remember family members, even after long periods of separation. Moreover, the intelligence of elephants is evident in their problem-solving skills. They have been observed using tools, such as sticks, to scratch themselves in hard-to-reach places, or leaves as makeshift umbrellas. They can also manipulate their environment to their advantage. For instance, elephants have been seen plugging water holes with balls of chewed bark, preserving the water for later use. But perhaps the most compelling evidence of elephant intelligence is their self-awareness. Just like humans and some primates, elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. This is no small feat. It's a clear indication of a high level of cognitive function. In a well-known experiment called the mirror test, elephants were marked with a visible spot on their forehead. When presented with a mirror, they used their trunk to touch the spot, indicating that they understood the reflection was their own. Beyond mere self-recognition, elephants also display signs of empathy and altruism. They comfort distressed members of their herd and have been known to mourn their dead, standing vigil over the body of a deceased companion for days. With their excellent memory, problem-solving abilities, and self-awareness, elephants display a level of intelligence that rivals that of primates and even humans. Their ability to learn, remember, and apply knowledge is a testament to their cognitive abilities. In fact, it's fair to say that the intelligence of elephants is not just a result of their large brains but also their complex social structures and rich emotional lives. With such cognitive abilities, elephants truly are the intellectuals of the animal kingdom. Unfortunately, these magnificent creatures face numerous threats in the wild. Elephants, these gentle giants, are under constant danger, primarily from human activities. It's a harsh reality we must confront and address. One of the significant threats to elephants is poaching, driven by the illegal ivory trade. Despite international bans, the demand for ivory, primarily in some parts of Asia, continues to fuel this destructive practice. Each year, thousands of elephants are killed in a brutal manner just for their tusks, leaving behind orphaned calves and disrupted herds. The loss of a single elephant has a ripple effect on the entire herd and, consequently, the ecosystem. Habitat loss due to human activities is another major challenge elephants face. As our cities expand and agriculture encroaches upon wild areas, elephants lose their homes. This loss of habitat often leads to human-elephant conflict, which sadly, more often than not, ends badly for the elephants. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are numerous conservation efforts underway to protect elephants and their habitats. Organizations and individuals worldwide are working tirelessly to combat poaching, protect elephant habitats, and promote sustainable coexistence between humans and elephants. They're using innovative methods like anti-poaching patrols, community education, and even beehive fences to deter elephants from crop fields. Conservationists are also working with governments to strengthen laws against ivory trade and create safe corridors for elephants to move between protected areas. In addition, rehabilitation and rescue centers provide care for orphaned and injured elephants, giving them a chance at a new life. We must remember that every elephant life saved is a victory. Each individual contributes to the genetic diversity and overall health of the species. And let's not forget, elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the biodiversity of the ecosystems they inhabit. The survival of elephants is a shared responsibility. It's a task that calls for global cooperation, stringent laws, and a personal commitment to make ethical choices. Remember, the survival of elephants depends on our actions and decisions. Let's ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the earth for generations to come. You might be wondering, why should we care about elephant conservation? Well, the answer is simple yet profound. Elephants play a crucial role in shaping their ecosystem, and their loss can have cascading effects on other species and the environment at large. To begin with, elephants are known as ecosystem engineers. This is because they create and modify habitats in ways that benefit other species. For instance, during their regular foraging, elephants fell trees and break up thorny bushes, which helps to create grasslands for other animals to inhabit. But that's not all. Elephants are also excellent seed dispersers. You see, they consume a wide variety of plants, and some of these seeds end up in their dung. This dung, which is often deposited far from the original plant, provides a nutritious environment for these seeds to germinate and grow. In fact, some plants have seeds that can only germinate after passing through an elephant's digestive system. Thus, elephants play a vital role in forest regeneration. Moreover, elephants' watering holes are essential to the survival of many other species. As elephants dig in the dry riverbeds, they create water holes that many other animals rely on, especially during the dry season. However, the disappearance of elephants from our ecosystems can have dire consequences. Their role in seed dispersal and forest regeneration cannot be overstated. Without them, some plant species may not survive, leading to a decline in habitat diversity. This in turn can affect other species that rely on these habitats. Also, the loss of elephants can lead to an overgrowth of vegetation, which can increase the risk of large, uncontrollable wildfires. Furthermore, the water holes created by elephants would be no more, leaving many animals without a crucial water source during dry periods. So, when we talk about saving elephants, it's not just about preserving a majestic creature. It's about preserving the balance of our ecosystems. It's about maintaining biodiversity. It's about ensuring the survival of many other species that share the habitat with elephants. So saving elephants means saving entire ecosystems. Elephants, the gentle giants, are truly fascinating creatures. They've captured our hearts and minds with their intricate societies, where bonds run deep and communication is key. In these complex communities, elephants express a level of intelligence that is both astonishing and inspiring. They display empathy, self-awareness, and problem-solving skills, giving us a glimpse into their profound cognitive abilities. The conservation of these magnificent beings, however, presents a challenge. Threats like habitat loss and poaching pose a serious risk to their survival. But all is not lost. As stewards of our planet, we have a role to play in protecting them. Elephants are not just passive inhabitants of our world. They shape the ecosystem around them, maintaining biodiversity and promoting healthy environments. By learning and sharing about elephants, we can help ensure these majestic creatures continue to roam our planet for generations to come.